Now we are going to see the calibration of current and potential transformer. Aim of the experiment is to study the working principle and to calibrate the current and potential transformer. This is the circuit diagram. Now we have a phase and neutral. It is connected to voltmeter, and we have an ammeter 0 to 10 amp, and this is the current transformer. The primary of the current transformer is connected to the phase, and the secondary of the current transformer is connected to the ammeter 0 to 1 amp ammeter, and the phase is connected to the load. Other end of the load is connected to the neutral wire. Now let us see the connections.
This is primary winding of CT. One end connected to supply, other end connected to ammeter one end. Ammeter is 0 to 15 amps. The other end of ammeter connected to load point. Load point, blue wire. Right up, blue wire. Whereas the load point other terminal, as madam said, should be connected to neutral of supply, the black wire. Where the secondary of CT is connected with low range ammeter 0 to 1 amps. 0 to 1 amps. Right? This is how you have to connect for calibration of CT. So when this reading is multiplied with 10, 10 is nothing but ratio of CT, that is 50 by 5. You should get, or you will get the actual current that is flowing in the load. This ammeter tells you whether the CT reads correctly or not. That's it. Right? So primary current I1 is given by K into IT. I2. K into I2. So first measure I2, multiply with K, that is your I1. That I1 is checked with this meter also. If error is present, error you have to compute and you will have to calibrate the CT accordingly. That is the exercise. Right? Now I will load and I will show you different readings. Load. On money load. So supply is on. Now load is being given in this circuit. Applied in this circuit. Right, this is my secondary of CT reading. That is how long, madam? 1 amps. 1 amps. 0.1.
0.1 amps.
0.1 amps. 0.1 into 10. 1 amps. This is the current actually flowing in the load. So whether that 1 amps is correct or not can be verified through this meter. See here, this is my 0 to 15 amps range. So roughly it gives 1 amps. So both are reading exact value. 1 amps. Both are reading exact value. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாக இருக்கு. Around 1.2 இருக்கு. That's it. So the meter which has been put reads 1.1 amps, but as per CT this is 1 amps. So 0.1 amps is the error in the upper side shown by CT. Now for the second reading we will see. I am varying the load. Load has been changed. Now this is the reading of CT, that is 0.26 into 10, 2.6 amps. 2.6 amps, but actual current is 2 amps only. மேலே பார்க்கணும் ஏன்னா 0 to 15 amp scale. When you are swinging at the top, this is 2 amps. So 0.6 amps is the difference in the upper side with respect to CT. So this is how you have to compute from CT and verify with some instrument that has been termed as true instrument. So true instrument reads 2 amps, but actual instrument reads 2 amps. True instrument reads 2 amps, actual instrument reads 2.6 amps. That is 0.26 into 10. 0.26 into 10, 2.6. So error in the positive side. That's it. CT பாருங்க சொல்லுங்க.
See, in CT, number of turns can be varied See, you have to insert a wire from the face. See, from our face a wire is taken, and now we have taken only one turn. You can vary the number of turns as 2 or 1 or 3, and according to that we have to
Find here.
find the error. Number of turns can be varied and readings can be taken. I will show you the tabular column. So this is the tabular column for, see, with single turn. Now we have taken only single turn. This is the tabular column. First is the primary current, secondary current, and this we have to calculate. K is equal to 10. That is 50 by 5. K is equal to 10, and we have to calculate I1 is equal to K into I2. So these two values should be equal. Maybe you can see this is a single turn. This is actually the true value, and this is the value what we get, and error can be tabulated from this. Error is 0.3. So this is how you have to find the error, and this is how you have to calibrate the current transformer.